Dingell talked about, to make long overdue reforms to the way that the Food and Drug Administration reviews over-the-counter medicines. Nearly 7 in 10 parents report giving their children an OTC medicine to help treat a sudden medical symptom. Similarly, 81% of adults use OTC drugs as a first response to a minor ailment. Despite the widespread use of these medicines, though, the FDA is forced to use a cumbersome and archaic monograph pathway for review and approval. This antiquated 40-year review system does not keep pace with recent medical advances and the burgeoning of the OTC market, which now has over 300,000 drugs. As a result, the current monograph fails to respond to OTC safety issues in a timely and effective manner. During the 2 years between 2004 and 2005, the CDC reported 1,500 cases of children under the age of 2 visiting emergency rooms due to serious side effects of over-the-counter drugs, of cough and cold products. Well, since this finding, the FDA has been trying to revise the cough and cold monograph to warn parents about the risks that these common drugs can cause. But the FTC can't do that because they're hamstrung due to the burdensome process it has to undergo to revise these monographs. This bill, H.R. 7328, which I worked on with my colleagues Mr. Latta, Mrs. Dingell, Mr. Green, Mr. Burgess, and Mr. Guthrie, is a rare triple win because it helps regulators, consumers, and industry. It modernizes an outdated FDA process. It ensures consumers get access to safe and effective over-the-counter drugs. It provides industry with the certainty to innovate and develop cutting-edge OTC products. And it gives the FDA the tools and resources to remove dangerous and ineffective products off the market. Let's pass this bill right now, and let's urge the Senate to get something done and pass this before the Congress ends. Thank you. I yield back.